Welcome to NanoHub, your go-to channel for smart tech reviews, the latest gadgets, and practical buying guides that make choosing the right technology simple. Today, we are taking a look at the SHOKZ OpenDots 2 Open-Ear Clip-On Earbuds in grey. Are these open-ear earbuds worth your money? How good is the sound compared with traditional wireless earbuds? Can the clip-on design stay comfortable during exercise and everyday use? And could the SHOKZ OpenDots 2 be one of the best open-ear earbuds for people who want great audio while staying aware of their surroundings? I've added a link below where you can check the latest price, current offers, and availability. The first thing that makes the OpenDots 2 different is the open-ear clip-on design. Instead of sealing inside your ear canal, the earbuds sit around the ear, allowing you to continue hearing what's happening around you. That's particularly useful when you're walking, running, commuting, working, or simply want music without completely disconnecting from your environment. SHOKZ combines this design with its joint arc construction and contoured silicone, helping the earbuds stay secure while keeping the contact points comfortable. Each earbud weighs only about 6.4 grams, while the complete setup with a charging case is around 51.6 grams. That lightweight design makes the OpenDots 2 well suited to long listening sessions. SHOKZ.com https://shokz.com/products/opendots2. Now let's talk about sound. The OpenDots 2 uses SHOKZ Bassphere 2.0 with two custom 11.8mm drivers in each earbud. SHOKZ says the redesigned diaphragm reduces distortion by 70%, helping deliver stronger bass, higher volume, and cleaner detail from an open-ear design. SHOKZ.com https://shokz.com/pages/opendots2. The upgraded Dolby audio system is another major feature. It's designed to give music more depth and impact while maintaining clear vocals, a spacious soundstage, and detailed playback. So whether you're listening to podcasts, streaming music, watching videos, or enjoying your favorite playlists, the goal is a fuller sound without the traditional in-ear feeling. SHOKZ.com https://shokz.com/blogs/news/open to more SHOKZ unveils OpenDots 2 and OpenDots Air. You can also customize the listening experience through the SHOKZ app, including EQ settings and other controls. That means you can adjust the sound to better match your music preferences instead of being locked into a single tuning. Another interesting feature is the interchangeable left and right design. Dynamic ear detection automatically identifies which ear each bud is being worn on, giving you more flexibility when putting them on. The earbuds also support tap controls and force-sensor pinch gestures for actions such as play, pause, track skipping, answering calls, and volume adjustment. SHOKZ.com https://shokz.com/products/opendots2. For calls, SHOKZ has equipped each earbud with 3 microphones, 2 air conduction microphones and 1 bone conduction microphone. These work with adaptive beamforming and AI noise reduction to focus on your voice and reduce surrounding noise. That's especially useful for phone calls, video meetings, and voice conversations while you're out and about. SHOKZ.com https://shokz.com/pages/opendots2. Independent testing from Tom's Guide found the OpenDots 2 delivered clear voice pickup even in noisy surroundings, while also confirming that the earbuds can reach their advertised battery endurance in demanding everyday use. tomsguide.com https://www.tomsguide.com/audio/headphones/SHOKZ OpenDots 2 review. If you're enjoying this review so far, consider giving the video a quick like. It really helps support the channel. Battery life is another standout feature. SHOKZ rates the OpenDots 2 for up to 10 hours of music playback from the earbuds and up to 40 hours when combined with the charging case. A 5-minute quick charge can provide up to 2 hours of playback, which is incredibly convenient when you realize your earbuds are almost empty just before heading out. SHOKZ.com https://shokz.com/products/opendots2. The case also supports Qi-certified wireless charging, giving you a convenient cable-free way to recharge. The earbuds themselves use USB-C charging through the case, while the full charging process is designed to keep the system simple for everyday use. SHOKZ.com https://shokz.com/products/opendots2. Durability is covered too. The earbuds have an IP57 water and dust resistance rating, making them suitable for sweat and light rain during workouts or outdoor activities. SHOKZ specifically rates the earbuds for IP57 protection, while the charging case has an IP54 rating. SHOKZ.com, https://uk.shokz.com/products/Opendots2. Connectivity is handled by Bluetooth 6.1 with a rated wireless range of up to 33 feet, or 10 meters. The Opendots 2 also supports multipoint pairing, allowing you to connect to two devices simultaneously and switch between them more conveniently. That can be particularly useful if you move between a smartphone and a laptop during the day. SHOKZ.com, https://shokz.com/products/Opendots2. Compared with traditional in-ear wireless earbuds, the Opendots 2 offers a completely different listening experience. The open-ear design is ideal for users who prioritize environmental awareness and comfort, while Dolby Audio and Bassphere 2.0 are designed to provide a more powerful listening experience than you might expect from open-ear buds. Compared with other SHOKZ open-ear models, the Opendots 2 sits at the flagship end of the Opendots lineup, adding upgraded audio, 3 microphones, improved controls, and IP57 protection. SHOKZ.com, https://shokz.com/blogs/news/open to more SHOKZ unveils Opendots 2 and Opendots Air. So, who are the SHOKZ Opendots 2 designed for? They're an excellent fit for runners, walkers, commuters, office workers, travelers, and anyone who wants to enjoy music while remaining aware of their surroundings. The combination of lightweight comfort, open-ear awareness, strong battery life, Dolby audio, multipoint connectivity, and clear call technology makes them a versatile option for everyday listening. Overall, the SHOKZ Opendots 2 combine a lightweight clip-on design, Bassphere 2.0, upgraded Dolby audio, 3 microphone call technology, Bluetooth 6.1, multipoint connectivity, IP57 water resistance, wireless charging, and up to 40 hours of total listening time. If you're searching for premium open-ear earbuds that deliver comfort, awareness, and powerful audio in one compact package, the Opendots 2 deserve a serious look. Thanks for watching NanoHub. If you enjoyed this review, subscribe for more tech reviews, gadget comparisons, and smart buying guides to help